Hello class, in this video I have a DebugFour1 exercise that I'm going to be looking at. We got a bunch of red squiggles, so let's see what's going on here just based off going from top down. So want chili, the string want chili only has one L, this one has two, so let's get rid of that extra L. Okay, so they're asking us if we want chili, if we want cheese. If want chili equals yes, then we want something going on. So let's look at chili. Do you want chili on your dog? Want chili equals readline. Now, since readline is automatically a string, this is fine. We have this if want chili, but we are trying to assign it the value of y, not check against the value of y. So we need another equal sign there. Same thing with want cheese. We want another equal sign there. The price, now they're trying to check price equals basic hot dog multiplied by chili price, but we need to take out one of those equal signs to be assigning, not checking. Just for the sake of being consistent, I'm going to take my cheese price and I'm just going to backspace a little bit. Now this is not necessary, but I just wanted to have it there all in one line so I could see it. So if we want cheese, we're going to take the basic dog price, add the chili price plus the cheese price. If we want chili and we say yes, and we want cheese, we say yes, we add them both to the basic dog price. Else, so we have an else for want cheese. So if we want chili but not cheese, then we'll take the basic basic price and add just the chili. But price again needs to take out one of those equal signs, so it's assigning, not checking against. We have another checker here, so add that equal sign. If want cheese is y, we have the basic dog price, else price equals basic dog price. So right here, this issue, they want cheese without the chili. So this first if statement is asking if they want chili, and then this one is all about the possibility after they say yes. But if they say no, then these lines of code will fire off. And if they want chili and they say yes, you have to also add the or the cheese price, sorry, to the basic hot dog. So let's just go basic dog plus, and we want this cheese price also. Cheese price. Okay, that looks about right. Let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. Do you want chili on your dog? Why? Cheese on your dog. Y for yes. Your total is $2. So the basic dog price is 2. So what's going on here, and it's not necessarily a bad thing, but our user needs to answer in a capital Y. So let's run it one more time. So let's run capital Y, capital Y. So now our price is different. We get 318. That makes sense. So run through all the checks you need to that's necessary. Yes, and then no. Then we get 296. And if we do no and no, we should get, or no and yes, we should get something different, 249. And then if we do no and no, we should get $2. All right. That's how you do this exercise. Make sure that all 4 of your options are different because that's what we're doing here. We're just checking. We're asking the user for information. And the if-else statements. If you have an if, then you have to have some kind of condition for that if to be true. If you have an else after the if, you don't have to have a statement because the other option besides yes is no, right? It's the only thing left. So if you want chili, you say yes. Else, which means the user types in anything but the capital Y, it's going to assume it's no. And then it's going to run through the other possible lines of code. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on this, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.